Hello again. So, we just delivered Liam and just decided to have a little bit swim. When we come down it was sunny with a little bit of work and yeah, it's like the perfect weather. Come here, Jessa. Come on. Put the umbrella away. We go swim. Just a little bit swim, you know, enjoying. Come on. Come on. It's warmer in the pool than outside of the pool. So yeah, that happened. Right now, we are just uploading and publishing some videos. And then we are supposed to go to the hospital, Vicente Soto Hospital to get my, what's the name of it?
The check is moving, including appointment.
Yeah. So we're struggling quite a bit with the procedure from here. It's getting very difficult. So what we are doing now is, if it's no papers there now, saying that we have a schedule with a doctor for talking about surgery and all of that, we're gonna call them back and say that there's no such paper for us yet. And also we go to UCMed.
Yeah.
UCMed, and we check our options there. Because, yeah, we just want operations done and my recovery time and go back to the mountain. So I guess we're stuck in the city for about maybe 10 to 15 more days. Right?
Yeah.
We just, yeah, we need to get the operation done. So let's just hope that we can get to the hospital soon. The rain will obviously stop soon. It's being very difficult here. Yeah, let's dive.
Yep.
We are at Vicente Soto? Vicente Soto Hospital, and I'm gonna go and check if there's any paper on me now for a meeting with the doc, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. So not allowed to film inside the hospital or anything, so I just, yeah. At least we're here. We've been waiting out the rain, but still raining a little bit, but we just drove now because have to get it done. Did some work and stuff after we went swimming, and yeah, no more waiting because we don't know any closing here, so we just drove in the weather. So we're here, and now we're going inside. Let you know how it went. Okay, once again, we were not in the names of the papers hanging up on the board. So Jessa going to call tomorrow, and we keep you updated about how everything goes with scheduling an operation. Looks like it's gonna be on UCMed, like it looks now, right?
Yeah.
But we're calling them tomorrow, and if not, we go to UCMed, UCMed, something like that, the day after, and I'm pretty sure it will go faster. So stay tuned for more. But right now we are going to a completely different place, and let's just enjoy and watch Jessa get frustrated. And we are here. Time to make my wife frustrated. So I know for a fact that Jessa just loves playing these machines, and I found a place that has a whole room of them. See? So we bought what, 100 pesos worth of tokens, and we had a few old ones from earlier. from another place, and this can be used here too, so it's okay. So let's see.
Let's take a little bit.
So what are you going to win now, Jessa?
I really like this.
She really likes this. Okay.
Sample.
So let's start. Let Jessa enjoy her gaming. Oh yeah, she's focusing hard here. Oh yeah. And we're going for it. And wait. Oh my god, looking good. Oh, what happened there?
It's already listening.
Relax guys, we have 19 more tokens and then some more. You can do it, Jessa. I believe in you. Oh yeah. Looking sexy, going for. Oh yeah, that was. Oh. That was so close, huh? So, you wanna try somewhere else?
That is one, SpongeBob.
Okay, I have to stay in here because I play music out there. So, she's trying. And, oh, looking good. And no, again. Get inside because I play music out there, huh?
I think if I punch that, we will give him. It's William, babe.
Yeah, you want to give him a car?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jessa really likes to do this. The problem is she gets so frustrated doing it. Not one?
Maybe this.
Not one?
Hold maybe?
There we go. So, car time. Liam really wants a blue car, Jessa. He told me he expects to get a blue car today. No, he do not want red.
Aye.
She's very bad at this, to be honest with you guys.
What is that? Coffee? Insert.
I already bought the wireless headset today. Why you want that? I bought the wireless headset today, guys, because I'm kind. Ordered from Shopee. Wow.
Oh my god, it's really cute.
So you see, she has no time to enjoy or anything. She just go from machine to machine. So I expect you to at least come home with something.
Let it go? Why? What kind of camps you are?
Jessa, in 20 tries at least I expect you to come home with one thing, right?
Huh?
Let's go inside with the big tennis in there. And this, I don't have any idea what this is, but there's several people playing the same game. I have no idea what it means.
Come here.
So, yep. Come on, you can do it, No, you can't.
Do not.
Liam wants something, Jessa. Yeah, 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 0. So you went for the whole thing and that didn't work out. That's strange.
What about this?
I have no idea what that is even. What is that?
That.
Move. Use to move the cutter to the left or right. Stop at the position. Move the button. The cutter is a cutter. Oh yeah, it's a scissor cutter on top there. You see that, right?
Yeah.
The car. So you get the nearest string and you get to cut. And then you hold in.
Almost.
No, not even close.
I'm not giving up. I want
Yeah.
at least something.
Even if we hit perfectly, I think it will not come. Yeah, doing so good.
You do not move it here? Like, come on.
Use your joystick to move the cutter to left or right. Stop at the position of the string. Hold button to move the cutter closer. You need to hold it down and
Like
release
this?
it at the position where you can cut the string.
Oh.
Maybe you should read the instructions before you start playing, huh? Really? Going for it? Yeah, looking good, looking good. Easy? Not hard at all? So, you enjoying your time in here?
Oh my god, I'm stressing. What kind of... I don't understand.
Let's try. I want Liam to have this one. I really like this. Can you give Liam one of those?
Is this cooking?
You can handle that, right, Jessa? Gosh. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Can do it. Oh no. Seems like notes. Oh my
You
god.
can pick it up like this. It's very easy.
So, where is Liam's toy? What is happening?
That's it. That's...
Okay, here we go. Going for it, going for it. Wait for it. Oh no.
Is it too heavy? You need help?
Yes, give me one token.
Okay. I gotta...
There we go. That's as good as it gets. Good luck. At least I have a chance because I put it in there. Yes, I don't even do that. See? So, Jessa. Let's see. Let's see. Now that's of course not gonna work. They're stuck. Can only take from the floor there. But how is it going? Nope. So, you having a good time?
This is game or making stress to you and me?
Yeah, man, you can talk slow. You can do it. I'm sure you can do it.
Run.
No, you're gonna take them off. Come on, keep going. You can't go home without something for Liam. If not, you're gonna have to buy it. Oh, looking good. Looking terrible. So, Jessa, you enjoying yourself?
I'll try
I'm
this
trying.
one now.
I just gave you 100 pesos to play games. You enjoying?
Not really.
Not
I
really?
never get anything.
Why is that?
Wallet.
That was very close though, huh? Got another try? Try again?
What makes that close? This one.
Yeah, that didn't work out well. Maybe this red. So. Yeah, something wrong. see. If it goes down this time. There we go. Little bit more. Yeah. Not working. It's okay, Jessa. Try another one. So, how is it?
Going home 0.
You shouldn't be going home 0. 20 tries.
At least this one, because it's good.
20 something tries. You should at least be able to take one, right? I feel you should be able to take one.
What the?
No swearing, it's YouTube. No swearing, Jessa. Getting upset now. Getting frustrated. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Wow. Ooh, so close.
Is it too heavy that you cannot handle?
So, you enjoying your damn time today, babe?
If you do it. What about?
No. This is all about you. Enjoy. I did already one try. Didn't work.
Hope
And
this
Liam
one.
don't need that. Liam don't need like that.
At least something to get it.
But you won't be able to get that too. Okay, let me see. Working hard, finding another target, and going for the kill, and what happens? Oh no, oh. That's the first time ever I've seen Jessa win anything in this. And she played a few rounds. I thought it was like a lipomade or something in it.
Wallet for medicine.
Really? Wallet for medicine? Really? So, I feel that is not worth 100 pesos though.
Try that.
But you did it. I'm kind of surprised. I never thought you would be able to bring that. Oh, that is good. That is good. Go for it. Okay. Going for it. Let's see. Oh yeah. Again? Oh yeah. Wow.
Come here, baby.
Oh my god, thank you.
I love you.
So, I was expecting Jessa to be super frustrated today, but because every time she's been at these type of places, there's a reason she comes home with more tokens because she gets so frustrated. But today, first time in her life, she actually wins something. And she's very excited now. Oh.
Ay.
So, Jessa the winner. So I feel we're getting closer to at least this one is plus that is 50 pesos. That's good. You're doing good, Jessa. Oh, again. No, the luck is over. Two in a row. That's really.
There's
that's
two
really,
more.
Okay.
At least you can get big one. Like.
You try. So Jessa not frustrated. She's excited because she actually won. If you can say having those two 400 pesos is winning. I don't know. Oh yeah, the point and thing. So I want a doggy thing. This is hug. And you hold it in until you get it as far as possible. You need to take the second one there, right?
How to up? How to up?
Hold it in. I told you. You hold it in until you get to that and then push it through.
Oh yeah.
Last one. Try the second there, because it will push it back maybe. Right? See?
Wow!
And here we're back to frustrated again. But it's not a total disaster. You won. Or did you?
It cost losing money.
But it's the first time you actually won something here, huh?
At least I have something for my baby Liam.
Oh yeah.
Let's go!
I did not see this coming, guys. Never expected. Never in a million years.
I will come back for this one.
So yeah, that's it. Now me and Jessa go eat, and yeah, I had no idea she would actually make this happen. But me and Jessa go eat now, cause hungry. You hungry, Jessa?
I am hungry, very hungry.
Good, good. We are done for today. Jessa impressed me a lot with actually winning a few items today. I never saw that one coming. So we're ending the day as so many other times when we are in SM in the evening. We have our dinner in Cabal. It's a nice all-you-can-eat, and it costs just about 720 pesos for 2 persons.
Yeah, like 300 something.
Yeah.
For one.
Each. And that's all you can eat. So they have a little bit of everything. Salad, they have chicken, they have whatever that is,
Ampalaya.
and some sausage, they have
Dubo.
and kare,
And
some shells. This is actually cove meat and some yellow rice. They're just, it's not fancy eating, but it is very good food.
For the price.
Good Philippine style food. Yeah?
Yeah, it is.
And I also have sorted desserts. I'm gonna show you the desserts after we ate, but right now, bon appetit. Let's eat, my love.
See.
As always, a very good meal here at Cabal. And right now we're just gonna have some dessert and go home. We have a long day tomorrow. I have tons of work tomorrow. I'm putting online ads for Earth of Tomorrow, and I'm putting up ads for my web shop. Getting back in track there, because I had to put everything down, and I didn't have time to run everything when I had this cancer scare. So everything comes back up online tomorrow, and hopefully our Earth of Tomorrow community is gonna start growing again. So that's tomorrow for me. Gonna take some time. Jessa, hi. She's very bad company because she's been sending messages. What do you have here? What is this?
I'm not sending messages. It's just I was posting a video on TikTok dancing, and it's violated. I was submitting appeal because I was just, why did people get jealous by dancing and I farted? So let's guess. This is a jelly, and I put this with banana, and this is banana.
Banana and jelly, sweet banana and jelly, right?
Yes, sweet banana with jelly. So let's taste and try how it tastes.
Yeah.
I never done this, but this
I just have a little bit jelly with no sauce, no nothing. And then some marshmallows with warm chocolate. They have a chocolate fondue. That's the name of it, I think. And yeah, just wanted a little bit sweet after our dinner, and 5 minutes rest, and I guess we jump on the bike and go home. So Jessa is tonight, or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Getting tired. Jessa keeps saying that she's gonna put some makeup and stuff on me, so I foolishly said that do whatever you want, it's not a problem. If it is for your channel, I'm all game. Obviously I should not have promised her that, because Next thing I know, she's gonna put on makeup. So I'm scared of that. Other than that, life is good. So yeah, there's that. On that note, guys, I'm getting tired. So see you next time. And as always, thanks for watching and see ya.